Are you looking for one of the best CNC machines for woodworking, engraving, sign making, prototyping, or small business production? A dependable CNC router should offer accurate motion, a rigid frame, enough spindle power, a practical working area, easy software compatibility, and reliable performance across different materials. In this video, we've selected the 5 best CNC machines of 2026 based on cutting precision, motor performance, spindle power, working area, frame stability, assembly, upgrade options, software support, material compatibility, and overall value. Whether you need a beginner-friendly CNC router for DIY projects, an expandable machine for your home workshop, or a more powerful model for wood, acrylic, and soft metal cutting, there's an excellent option on this list. Stay tuned until the end to discover which CNC machine earned the #1 spot and why it's our top recommendation. Let's get started. Number 5. Twotrees TTC 450 Pro CNC Router Machine. Starting our list at number 5 is the Twotrees TTC 450 Pro, an all-metal 3-axis CNC router designed for home workshops, makerspaces, educational use, prototyping, and small-scale production. It provides a large 460 by 460 by 80 millimeters working area, giving users enough room for signs, furniture panels, relief carvings, and batch projects. The Z-axis uses a NEMA 57 stepper motor, with the manufacturing claiming positioning accuracy of up to 0.0025 millimeters for detailed depth control. A responsive 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen simplifies operation, while the control box includes expansion ports for a 4th radial axis, laser module, and 500-watt spindle speed control. The machine runs on the open-source GRBL platform and supports software such as Fusion 360, Easel, ArtCam, and Carveco Maker across Windows, macOS, and Linux. Its aluminum alloy and stainless steel structure is designed to reduce vibration. The package also includes a 775 spindle, 10 cutting tools, 6 clamps, and test materials. Pros: large 460 by 460 by 80 millimeters work area, 3.5-inch capacitive touchscreen, NEMA 57 Z-axis stepper motor, supports radial axis and laser upgrades, GRBL software compatibility, works with Windows, macOS, and Linux, all-metal frame construction, useful starter accessory package. Cons: requires assembly and CNC setup knowledge. Included 775 spindle may limit heavy metal cutting. Claimed stainless steel capability may require light passes. Product dimensions are incompletely listed. Power specifications appear inconsistent. No clear warranty duration is provided. Overall, the Twotrees TTC 450 Pro offers a spacious workspace, expandable controls, and solid beginner to intermediate functionality, making it our number 5 pick for the best CNC router machines of 2026. Number 4. Genmitsu 4040 Pro CNC Router Machine. Coming in at number 4 is the Genmitsu 4040 Pro, an upgraded 3-axis CNC router designed for DIY projects, detailed engraving, sign making, and light workshop production. It provides a generous 435 by 400 by 80 millimeters working area, giving users room for larger wood, acrylic, MDF, nylon, and carbon fiber projects. Each axis uses dual 16 millimeters HSS steel linear tubes and lead screw motion drives inside an all-metal frame, helping improve rigidity, accuracy, and cutting consistency. The upgraded hybrid spoil board combines MDF with a central aluminum support bar and integrated T-track. This design is intended to reduce sagging and keep the work surface flatter under load. Assembly is also relatively simple because the machine arrives in pre-assembled modules and can reportedly be ready in around 15 minutes. Its redesigned Z-axis supports future spindle upgrades, while dedicated accessory ports accommodate equipment such as an air assist pump and MPG controller. Pros: large 435 by 400 by 80 millimeters working area, reinforced hybrid spoil board, dual HSS steel linear tubes, lead screw-driven motion system, all-metal frame construction, approximately 15 minutes assembly, accessible Z-probe connection, supports spindle and accessory upgrades. Cons: no touchscreen or standalone controller listed. Included spindle specifications are unclear. Metal cutting capability is not supported by the detailed material list. Extra mounts are needed for some spindle upgrades. Requires GRBL and CNC software knowledge. Warranty duration is not clearly stated. Overall, the Genmitsu 4040 Pro offers a rigid structure, spacious workspace, and useful upgrade options, making it our number 4 pick for the best CNC router machines of 2026. Number 3. FoxAlien Masuter Pro CNC Router Machine. Taking the number 3 spot is the FoxAlien Masuter Pro, a beginner-friendly 3-axis CNC router designed for hobbyists, DIY users, and small woodworking projects. Its all-aluminum frame and linear rail Z-axis are built to improve rigidity, stability, and engraving accuracy. The machine provides a 400 by 400 by 60 millimeters working area, making it suitable for routing, milling, and carving materials such as wood, acrylic, MDF, and nylon. An optional Y-axis extension kit can increase the available workspace for larger projects. The dust-resistant controller includes clearly accessible emergency stop and home buttons for safer operation. Most major components arrive pre-assembled and pre-wired, allowing setup in approximately 10 to 15 minutes. 2 spindle clamps are provided in 52 and 65 millimeter sizes, supporting compatible 60 and 300-watt spindles. Users can also upgrade to a 65 millimeter router, 1.5 kilowatt spindle, or separately purchase 69 millimeter clamp. Pros: all aluminum frame construction, linear rail Z-axis, large 400 by 400 mm working area, approximately 10 to 15 minutes assembly, pre-wired major components, dust-resistant controller, emergency stop button, multiple spindle upgrade options, optional Y-axis extension kit. Cons: only 60 mm of Z-axis travel. Spindle inclusion is not clearly confirmed. Larger spindle upgrades may require extra accessories. 69 mm spindle clamp is sold separately. Requires CNC software and setup knowledge. Power specifications are inconsistently labeled. 1-year manufacturer warranty only. Overall, the FoxAlien Masuter Pro offers easy assembly, solid construction, and excellent upgrade flexibility, making it our number 3 pick for the best CNC router machines of 2026.
Number 2. SainSmart Genmitsu 4040 Pro Max CNC Router. Taking the number 2 spot is the SainSmart Genmitsu 4040 Pro Max, a more powerful CNC router designed for woodworking, acrylic cutting, metal engraving, and demanding home workshop projects. Its 410 by 405 by 77 mm working area provides enough space for signs, panels, prototypes, and detailed parts. The upgraded X and Z-axis linear guideways are designed to improve motion stability, reduce vibration, and maintain better precision during faster cutting operations. A major advantage is the included 710-watt digital display trimmer, which offers considerably more cutting power than the smaller spindles commonly bundled with entry-level CNC machines. The reinforced MDF spoil board includes a central aluminum support bar and integrated T-track, helping prevent sagging while providing flexible clamping and fixture options. The machine also offers a 100 mm pass height, allowing taller materials to fit beneath the gantry and leaving more room for future router upgrades. GRBL control makes it compatible with widely used CNC workflows. Pros: powerful 710-watt compact router included, linear guide X and Z axes, reinforced hybrid spoil board, integrated T-track for flexible clamping, large 410 by 405 mm work area, 100 mm material pass height, reduced vibration during high power cutting, suitable for wood, acrylic, and light metal work. Cons: require CNC software and setup experience, louder than machines using small spindles, dust collection is not mentioned, full machine dimensions are incompletely listed, warranty duration is not clearly provided, metal cutting may still require shallow passes and suitable tooling. Overall, the SainSmart Genmitsu 4040 Pro Max combines strong cutting power, improved linear motion, and excellent material clearance, making it our number 2 pick for the best CNC router machines of 2026. Number 1. Genmitsu PROVerXL 4030 V2 CNC Router Machine. Taking the number 1 spot is the Genmitsu PROVerXL 4030 V2, a powerful CNC router designed for hobbyists, small businesses, and users who need reliable cutting and engraving across wood, acrylic, MDF, PCB materials, plastics, and soft metals. Its closed-loop NEMA 23 stepper motors are designed to prevent missed steps while reducing operating noise. With a maximum travel speed of 5,000 mm per minute, the machine can complete larger or repeated projects more efficiently than many entry-level CNC routers. The upgraded motion system uses 1204 ball screws for improved accuracy and smoother movement. A reinforced Z-axis and adjustable eccentric roller nuts provide additional stability and control. Its 400 by 300 by 110 mm working area offers excellent vertical clearance for small to medium-sized projects. The included 400-watt spindle provides useful cutting power, while the hybrid T-slot table helps secure materials with different shapes and sizes. GRBL control supports software such as Candle and Universal G-code sender through a USB connection. Pros: closed-loop NEMA 23 stepper motors, maximum speed of 5,000 mm per minute, precision 1204 ball screw system, generous 110 mm Z-axis workspace, 400-watt spindle included, stable reinforced chassis, hybrid T-slot work table, suitable for wood, plastic, and soft metals. Cons: smaller XY workspace than some 4040 models, require CNC software knowledge, 230-volt specification may not suit every location, no touchscreen or standalone controller listed, warranty duration is not clearly provided, work area description incorrectly lists 110 meters instead of 110 millimeters. Overall, the Genmitsu PROVerXL 4030 V2 delivers excellent motion control, fast travel speeds, strong construction, and dependable cutting performance, making it our number 1 pick for the best CNC router machines of 2026.